In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring transaction in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to save a template that runs on your schedule. Start by heading to the left sidebar. Click All Apps, then Open Accounting. Inside that section, look for Recurring Transactions. This is the control center for anything you want. QuickBooks to create for you automatically, remind you about, or keep ready as a reusable template. Once you're there, click the New button at the top right. You'll be asked to choose a transaction type, such as a bill, expense, or other supported form. Pick the type that matches what you need to repeat, so the correct fields appear. Next, set up the template details. Give the template a clear, specific name so you can find it quickly later. Choose the type for how this template behaves. Scheduled means QuickBooks will create it automatically on your timetable. Reminder will prompt you before it's created, so you can review it. Unscheduled simply saves the details, so you can use them when needed without a fixed date. If you see create end days in advance, set a number that gives you enough lead time to review or approve the transaction before it posts. Now, choose the vendor, then confirm or add the mailing address. Set the terms if they apply. This controls due dates and can help keep your payables consistent. After that, define the interval. Pick how often this should occur, like weekly, monthly, or another cadence that fits your workflow. Set the start date for when the schedule begins, and add an end date if there's a known stop point. If the transaction is ongoing, you can leave the end date open. Scroll to Category Details to build the body of the recurring transaction. Select the correct category to ensure your books stay accurate. Add a concise description so anyone reviewing knows exactly what it is. Enter the amount, and, if applicable, assign a customer so the cost is tracked to the right project or client. If the cost should be passed along, mark it as billable. If tax applies, check the tax box so QuickBooks handles it correctly. When everything looks right, click Save Template. That's it. A quick tip: use a consistent naming convention and pick a sensible advanced creation window to give yourself time to review. With this setup, QuickBooks will handle the routine work, and you'll stay on top of your schedule with fewer surprises.